how to take off the old locks in the front door. Sometimes you need some repair, something very simple. You don't want to spend the money to call a serviceman to do it or locksmith to come over. So you can fix it yourself. But first of all, you have to take it off. Now I will show you how to do it. I had a hard time to learn how to do it, but now I know how to do it, and I will share the information with you. Now, first of all, let's take an Allen key like this, and take the back door of the knob of the key set. Now there's an Allen key here, and you can see you fit into there. There's a loose screw. There are two of them, one on this side and the other is this side. So I already loosened it so that we save some time for this video. So I want to loosen it. Oh, I lost it somewhere. Okay, and then you can unscrew the doorknob off like so. And here you go. So there are two metal pieces. Just plug them out. It's really easy to come out. Okay, just put them aside together so we can remember put it back, and then take out these two screws here and take the cover off. They're two simple screws. So on that side I already loosen them so that we can easily take them off, and then you pull this piece off from the lock. Here we go. So that's what the back will look like. Now there are two screws hold the front piece. Now we need a screwdriver. To take this screw off, and so I already loosened it, so it's easy to take it off right now. And then this piece you need to turn off because there's a small thread here, and you can see you turn off this way. Take this piece off and then take this screw off. Okay, like so. So it came off. Now let's go to the front. You can see the front right now. This is off on the bottom. Screws off. The screw here is off, and you can see it's moving. But how to take this piece off? That's where I stumbled. To take this piece off, first of all, I have to take off the cover on the side, which I already loosened it, and take this off, and put them aside here. Now, next important step. In order to take off this piece, you need to lose the screw. There's a screw right here, and you can see the small screw right in the middle, right here. So you need to lose that screw. Let me see. Got the right screwdriver and loose it a few turns, And then after you have done that, lose this screw a few turns, and then next step is to use a key, maybe another key, as long as can fit into the key eye. In my case, I will use another key to fit into the key eye. And turn it counterclockwise like so. And then this will take off this piece, the KI piece, from the main body of the lock. Okay, here we go. That's how the lock like inside the up on the back of the front side of the cover lock. Okay, now you got everything taken off from the door back and front, and leave the main key piece inside the door. But in my case, I don't need that. My problem is I want to replace this piece. I will show you. The reason I want to replace this piece is this piece. Because this piece, you see the on the top kind of worn. You can see right here it's worn over the years, and the result, when you open the door, when you press this lever, and because that area is worn, if you're not able to open the door, you're not able to push all the key on the top. On the top here, you can see here, you're not able to lift the whole thing like so. You know, you cannot lift the whole thing all the way home. Therefore, you cannot open the door. So that's the problem. Now I got a new one from the manufacturer, which I will take this off, which I will replace this piece with a new piece. I got it from the manufacturer right here. So I will put this thing back on, replace it. That should solve my problem. Alright, that's how to take off the old locks from the front door.